everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moesha. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my makeup when I go to a casting for modeling. And it's gonna be very simple and natural because they usually don't want you to wear a lot of makeup, if any makeup at all. So I'm gonna show you what I do to my face and let's get started. I already did my skincare and this is so important. Skincare is key. So I've already done that. Right now I'm going with my primer. And what I'm doing, I'm just priming my skin so my pores don't look so visible because I won't be wearing foundation. Now that the skin is all nice and primed, I'm gonna prime my eyes because I'm not gonna be using eyeshadow. So I just want to have a nice matte look. And I don't want it to be too shiny either. So that's why I'm putting an eye primer. And please don't forget to like the video. That would mean a lot to me. Alright, now that my face is primed, I usually like to set it with a translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder that you want. I'm just using this E.L.F. Make Me Matte powder. Usually after I'm done doing my skincare routine, my face usually looks shiny and like too glowy for my liking. So I usually like using a powder to tone that down. Alright, you guys know I have to do my under eye circles. So what I'm gonna be using is the Juvia's Place concealer sticks. And this is in the shade number 10. And this is my exact skin tone, to be honest. And I'm just gonna cover up some discoloration right here. And under my neck, I have a bit of discoloration. It's like around the nose, it's a bit red. And while I let that sit for a while, I'm gonna do my brows. I'll be using the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil in the shade Brown. See, it looks better already. And I'm just going in with the spoolie so I can blend everything. This pencil doesn't have a precise tip, so this is more for the natural look. We're not really trying to make it look too defined. I always have a problem with my brows. Either this one look good another day or this one doesn't. Well, it looks natural. Now I'm going to blend the concealer. And again, this is in the shade 10 from Juvia's Place. And I love using oh my god. I love using this little mini brush when I'm doing my concealer. It blends the concealer so nice. I seriously look better. Like, do you see this? And any excess, I just, you know, dab it on the skin. I almost forgot my chin. Oh man. Now this is how it looks. I'm just gonna go just a little bit more with the number 12 concealer. And I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You don't know how much that means to me. And liking the videos. That really helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos when you do that. And I do enjoy making these videos. So this is a fresh, youthful look. And we're almost done. All I'm gonna do is set the concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 30. Be very light with the powder because you don't want it to look over powdery, because that's really an indicator that you're wearing makeup. All right, the eyes are set. Bronze my face just to add a little warmth and somewhat of a shadow to it. However, there's just this one step I cannot skip, is just my nose. And it's very subtle, but I like it. And I forgot to mention I'm using the E.L.F. Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. And this is in the shade Deep, Dark Deep. And of course, we can't forget to blend the nose. And for the lips, I'm using this Vaseline lip balm because I'm trying to go for a My Lips But Better. And on top of that, I'll be using this Mega Last Stained in the shade Magic Mirror. And it just gives my lips more of a juicy, nice, plump look. Because my lips are pretty pale, if you have not noticed. Like, they're really pale. if you go on a casting and you wear false lashes, I can guarantee you will not get the gig. Unless they tell you to, or it's part of the scene, don't do it. Because they want to see your face as a blank canvas without almost close to anything. And I don't curl my lashes because my lashes are very curly, like very curly, so I have no need for a lash curler at all. And I'll be putting some on the bottom lashes after I do the setting spray, but as a final step, I'll just be using a blush so I can have a little color. Next, this is the Dulce Pink from Milani. And it's somewhat of a blush and a shimmer, so I don't need to use a highlight. See, it's that youthful look. And this is the Milani setting spray. I just have a habit of tapping my skin after I put on a setting spray just to make sure it really sets and gets into the skin. So it all becomes one. And finally, we're just gonna put on the mascara on the bottom lashes. And this is the final look. This is how I look when I go to a casting. It's a very simple, natural look. It's not a lot, but you just enhance, your beauty. But you don't look so different from your bare face. Please give the video a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And let me know what else you would like to see from me next. Let me know. Let's chat in the comment section below. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.